it gives a different kind of like vibe and look with the red flakes. So we've got that in. Can't ever go wrong. I'm gonna cook this in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven, you can do it in a barbecue. Now simply how we're gonna start off, ingredients. We've got sea salt. So here we've actually got garlic salt. I know I've put salt in, but I like this to have a nice amount of salt. So we've got 2 teaspoons in here. Here's 2 teaspoons of simple chicken seasoning. 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed black pepper. We will probably add a bit of this at the end, a bit more. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is a powdered version. Then we've got the chili flake, and it gives a different kind of like vibe and look with the red flake. So we've got that. This is 2 teaspoons of lemon peel. Finely chopped off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have that all over there. I love just that. We'll be mixing this, and it's gonna basically be cooking on one of these. So it's not like you're gonna eat the pips, you'll be able to take it out. Yeah, so we're just gonna do that. Now, as usual, gotta get into this, guys. Yeah. How we're gonna cook this is in the air fryer. Cook. I'm gonna cook this at 210. I'm gonna put it on for 15 minutes each side. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, just want to apologize for the sound in the background. I've turned some of this around. Well, all of these around. It's been on for 15 minutes. Okay guys, now this has probably been in there for about 40 minutes. 225, just have a look at that. Alright guys, I've put the half a lemon, squeezed it on here. I've put more black pepper. Now we're just gonna garnish it with some parsley and coriander. Put a little bit of sesame seed on it. Can't ever go wrong with that. And just to finish it off, there we go guys. As usual, I'm gonna have to taste another one. Look at that. See that colorization in here? Oh yeah. Guys, lemon and peppered wings. Love it.